now that we have washed our font into this variable container to keep the code clean, we can now use it. And what we would like to do is access the render method. I'm going to go with the one from the IntelliSense with 3 parameters. Change these placeholders into argument values. From the IntelliSense, anti-alias told us it was a boolean, so we could go 1 for true or 0 for false. I'm not doing any pixel art, I'm just going to keep it true. For the color, I'm going to use Vino red, keeping the value low for a darker vino. We can now